Hello, Dumbarton Bake Off friends. My name is Mary. I'm the programs manager at Dumbarton House, and this week we are making a Dumbarton House gingerbread house. So after doing a lot more math and geometry than I anticipated as a trained historian and museum professional, we now have all the pieces of our mold. These are my templates that I have to use to put together my beautiful gingerbread house, and so now I'm going to get started on the dough and we're gonna get cooking. Here we go. We will be using Mrs. Page's ginger cakes recipe from the Williamsburg Art of Cookery, a recipe from 1885. After many minutes of kneading, we are ready to roll out the dough. So I'm gonna roll it out and then place my templates on top to make sure I have enough, and then we'll get it baking in the oven. Okie dokie. The first batch, including the portico roof, portico columns, roofs for the bowed windows, and a few other miscellaneous parts are ready to go into the oven. Let's see how this goes. Attempting to make bowed walls for the back of the house with these beautiful aluminum foil molds. Let's see what happens. Okie dokie, the very last of the house pieces are in the oven, so I took the rest of it, made it into this roll, and I'm just gonna cut out some standard gingerbread cookies and make those. It's gonna be delicious. All of the pieces of the house have finished baking, so now it is time to trim anything that's too big and sand down the edges so everything fits together nicely. And yes, I did burn some of them, but we're just gonna cover that up with frosting and no one is gonna know except for all of you beautiful followers on social media. Okay, so all the pieces of our gingerbread house have been baked and sanded down to size, and now they're gonna sit out for the next 3 days and get nice and hard and ready for building. And that means that I'm leaving all of you with a cliffhanger for this Great Dumbarton Bake Off. I'll be back on Saturday afternoon around 1:30 to assemble all the pieces and put them together because Saturday is National Gingerbread Day. So I hope to see you guys this weekend, and until then, have a great week. Bye-bye.